At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 2, 2023, Mullen stock drops ahead of Mullen's stockholder meeting. Mullen must soon regain the $1 threshold to remain compliant with Nasdaq's continued listing policies. Mullen Automotive will hold its annual meeting of stockholders tomorrow, August 3. Up for vote is a proposal that would authorize a reverse stock split in a range between 1-for-2 and 1-for-100. Mullen stock is down by over 95% this year. Shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, are down by about 5% today ahead of the company's annual meeting of stockholders on August 3. The date of record for the meeting was previously set for close of business on June 22. Shareholders as of that date will be able to cast votes for the 11 proposals outlined in the meeting, which includes a reverse stock split in a ratio between 1-for-2 and 1-for-100 and a state of incorporation change to Maryland from Delaware. Last month, the emerging electric vehicle company announced that Bollinger Motors had received a $3 million job creation grant from the state of Michigan. Bollinger, which is majority owned by Mullen, will receive the grant proceeds upon satisfying job creation milestones over the next 5 years. Mullen stock drops ahead of annual stockholder meeting. The reverse stock split proposal, or proposal number 3, seems to be a focal point for the meeting. The proposal is important in order for Mullen to achieve Nasdaq's $1 minimum stock price continued listing requirement. Back in May, Mullen announced that it had traded above $1 for 10 consecutive business days, before the deadline extension of September 5. It added that it was awaiting confirmation from Nasdaq to confirm that it had met the requirement. However, it appears that Mullen has not in fact satisfied the $1 minimum price requirement, as it remains on Nasdaq's non-compliant companies list. This is because, in certain situations, the exchange can require a non-compliant company to trade above $1 for more than 10 consecutive business days but generally no more than 20 consecutive business days. Factors that affect the number of days a stock must trade above $1 include price trend, the amount that it has traded above $1, and volume. The proposal to change Mullen's state of incorporation to Maryland somewhat ties into the reverse stock split proposal. As explained by Mullen, companies incorporated in Maryland may enact a reverse split without shareholder approval. However, the company may not exceed a reverse split ratio of more than 1-for-10 over any 12-month period. In addition, Maryland-based companies can also increase or decrease the aggregate number of authorized shares of stock or the number of shares of any class or series of stock that the Maryland Corporation is authorized to issue without a stockholder vote. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stocks news update. Thank you.